Hey y'all, so welcome back to another Nicole custom tutorial. Is she getting out those videos? Is she getting out that content? Yes ma'am, she is. So today I am doing my older sister Jasmine's hair, and we decided to do the soft locks that are really popular and trending right now. I'm going to show y'all this easy beginner friendly method to achieve this look. We did do a two-tone ombre look. So basically we start off, of course y'all know, full service wash and trim, deep condition, hydration treatment, and all of the above. So I'm going in trimming her ends. I see her pretty frequently now that she's back closer to home, and we are in the process of growing her hair out. We have literally already made a huge milestone in the length, and this is probably the longest her hair have been, well, the longest her hair has been in a while. So as you can see, it's all healthy. One length is full. So basically I start off with the new locks, the Bobbi Boss new locks. Before that, I do the individual braids. I don't braid all the way down because it's not really needed. I use Caribbean twist. I want to say this is Caribbean twist or Bohemian twist. I forget, but it will be in the description box. I use 2 packs of this hair, and then I use 3 packs of the Bobbi Boss new locks. This is only in the 18-inch because that is what our beauty supply had. You can find longer lengths online, Amazon, or different beauty supplies that's online if you want longer, or you can do the method where you extend the lock. However, we was not doing all of that. Basically going in by crocheting that lock in, and I do not have to hide her hair in between the lock or through the lock. I just simply leave her hair out, and as I wrap it with the Bohemian twist, I wrap her hair inside of the lock, inside of the hair, if that makes sense. This is the process. It's so easy, so simple, just really depending on how much hair the client has and depending on how thick and full the hair is, and the length, whatever length they want. Sometimes people get them shorter, sometimes people get them like booty length, like past their booty. I see a lot of girls with super long locks. I don't really understand how y'all function with those. If you do have those, let me know. How do you sleep? What is that like showering every day to day? That's a lot of hair. The braiding process, doing regular size parting, nothing too small, nothing too big. And these will last her a good while. She'll come in for a retouch probably in about another 3-4 weeks. So basically, that's the process. Super simple, super easy. And like I said, this is a 2-tone ombre. So her locks were ombre, and then we went in and wrapped the locks with a piece of black hair. It is 1 lock, 1 piece of hair per strand. That's it. That's all. This was super quick. I'm lying, it wasn't super quick. It only took us about, I think, 5 to 6 hours for the full service. So her wash, deep condition and trim, and then style. It took us about 5 to 6 hours. I can't quite remember. But repeating the same steps, crocheting that lock in, and then going in with the Bohemian twist to wrap that lock and to get the soft look. So as you can see, this is what they look like before I wrap them, and the back is what they look like after. This is just a closer view on me wrapping it. You don't have to wrap them super perfect. You do want to make sure the client's hair is wrapped in the beginning, so nothing is sticking out, nothing is showing as far as her hair or her ends, because then that will create damage. Sometimes it's a little tricky trying to wrap the start of the lock because it's a little thicker than the rest, but aside from that, this is all we do. And I finish off her locks by, of course, sealing in that moisture, spraying her scalp, making sure it's moisturized. I don't use mousse. I don't use got to be holding spray because it's really not a need for it. And also, this is more of a messy, soft look, so nothing needs to be perfect or super neat and consistent. Yeah, after we finish with the install, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add her custom accessories. These you can find on my online Etsy shop, which is linked below. I have accessories, hair products, and merch, so you guys can check that out. Support a small black-owned business and just shop J Nicole Custom if you're feeling compelled to. I would love to ship some stuff out to y'all so y'all can get the experience, get the look. And that's pretty much it. That is all we did. This is the outcome. Actually loved it. And this is a great protective style if you're looking for something with longevity and honestly for it to just get better over time. Looking to get in some soft locks, you can do these on your own. It probably will take you a little bit longer because it's a little more difficult trying to crochet the locks in, wrap them, and trying to see everything that you're doing. So as you can see, lightweight, they flowing, they super cute. I love this look. It turned out perfect. This was my first time doing them. And yeah, so I'm just showing y'all I could put it in a ponytail, I could pull it back, we could do whatever we want to do. And that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up. Let me know, comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. Make sure you subscribe and I will see y'all in my next video.